Oftentimes, using Google Sheets, Google Docs, it's very straightforward and simple. However, sometimes there are moments where using a specific tip or trick or hack can make your workflow massively efficient and your life easier, especially if you're a small business owner, an online coach, course creator, consultant, what have you. If you are using Google Sheets, you want to know this hack, as long as you need to update or have a desire to track the day of the week and the date within the year. So let me show you what that looks like. When you are tracking the date of the year, and let's say you want to update automatically the day of the week for that date within the year, knowing this simple tip or hack is going to make your life easier. We're in 2023, so I'm going to update that. Now, I typically only do it for the first two. So here you see they both are highlighted, these two cells. When I do that, so that's a left click on both of these two cells, this little blue square appears. So I left click with my mouse, hold that down, I don't let it go. I drag all the way to the last cell in that column, and then I update. After I let it go, I update automatically, so I think these days of the week. The problem is I want to be 100% positive that that is accurate without having to double check my work. And so the formula for me to do that is =weekday, parentheses, that cell. So all I did was left click the cell, and parentheses, return. And so again, I left click, it's got the little blue square. I'm going to left click and hold it down until the end of the column, and then release. And now the formula is updated automatically for this. So let's say in the future, next year, 2024, I want to make a copy of this specific spreadsheet for tracking, in my case, my KPIs month to month. So now I never have to worry about or update the formula in this column. All I need to do is update the date for the year here, and then I'll end up left click, drag and drop, or rather drag all the way to the end of that column, then release the mouse, and it'll automatically update the day of the week in the other respective column that has the formula. Thanks for watching.